In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in WebEx. First, you will need to open your preferred web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or any other browser you use. Once your browser is open, navigate to the search bar at the top. Here, type WebEx and press the Enter key. This action prompts your browser to display search results related to WebEx. You will see a variety of links, some of which may be official and others not. Selecting the right link is crucial to access the correct WebEx platform. This initial step is important because it sets the stage for everything that follows. Next up, you will need to click on the correct link from the search results. Look for the official WebEx website link, which is often at or near the top of the search results. It usually has a recognizable WebEx logo. Clicking on the right link ensures you are directed to the official platform. This allows you to avoid potential issues that could arise from using unofficial or misleading sites. Once you click the link, you should be taken to the WebEx homepage, where you will see various options related to meetings and collaboration tools. After that, if prompted, you will need to log into your WebEx account. A login screen may appear, asking for your username and password. Enter your credentials accurately to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you may need to create one. Logging in is a vital step because it ensures you have access to your personalized settings and preferences. Once successfully logged in, you will be directed to your WebEx dashboard, ready to make the necessary adjustments. Now look for the Settings or Preferences option on your dashboard. Depending on your organizational template, it may be labeled differently. Click on this option to access a new menu. This section is where you can modify various settings related to your WebEx account. Finding the right area to make changes is essential for customizing your experience. Once you click on Settings or Preferences, you'll see a range of options to tailor WebEx to your needs. From there, navigate to the Meetings section. Within this section, look for a tab labeled General. Clicking on General will open up additional options related to your meeting preferences. This is where you can make significant changes, including language settings. Understanding where to find these settings is important because it helps you streamline your workflow. Once you are in the general settings, you are one step closer to changing the language. Next, under the Location or Region section, you will find a language drop-down list. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal a list of available languages. Browse through the options and select your preferred language. This choice will determine the language used in your WebEx interface and notifications. Choosing the right language enhances your user experience, making it easier for you to navigate the platform. Once you have made your selection, you are ready for the final step. Finally, don't forget to click the Save button to apply your changes. This action ensures that your new language preference is recorded in your account settings. If you notice that the changes do not immediately appear on your screen, you may need to clear or refresh your browser. This is a common troubleshooting step that ensures that your updates take effect. Once you have saved your changes, you can confidently navigate WebEx in your chosen language. These steps are straightforward and will help you customize your WebEx experience effectively. By following this guide, you will enhance your productivity and comfort while using the platform.